Hello friends, welcome to the channel The Learning Universe. Today we learn public places name. Let's start. This is school. School. This is zoo. Zoo. This is railway station. Railway station. This is hospital. Hospital. This is bus stop. Bus stop. This is bank. Bank. This is restaurant. Restaurant. This is hotel. Hotel. This is cinema hall. Cinema hall. This is factory. Factory. This is fire station. Fire station. This is university. University. This is parking lot. Parking lot. This is market. Market. This is museum. Museum. This is court. Court. This is auditorium. Auditorium. This is park. Park. This is stadium. Stadium. This is gym. Gym. This is airport. Airport. This is police station. Police station. This is library. Library. This is petrol station. Petrol station. This is shopping mall. Shopping mall. This is post office. Post office. This is pharmacy. Pharmacy. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.